god. Okay. It smells. It smells. That really smells. Hi. Not soon to mind. Can't make any noises either. I'm kind of mute. Oh my god. Just stop making noises and make me laugh. Where is it? I bet you're hungry, huh? I bet your butt's doing something you don't know about. Better not be whizzing on me. This is my last very fluffy blanket, so you peed on the last one. What are you saying? That's what everyone wonders. He's recording and can't watch this. I'll help you in a moment. Oh, hi, I didn't notice you were staring at me. Alright, am I that? Good looking? No, I'm not. What I'm wearing? A gray shirt. We're climbing on top of each other today. It's a lazy day filled with a lot of pee. Better not be going on my... I swear to God, if my blanket is damp, you guys are off my bed for life. What, do I scare you? Get you out of the box for one time. All you do is fall asleep on me. What time is it? Oh, it's 4 o'clock. I missed my siesta.